Alright guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious pumpkin pie at home. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin baking. We're going to begin by adding all of our ingredients to our bowl. It doesn't matter in what order you do it, as long as you just add them in there. So here I have the pure pumpkin, sweetened condensed milk, got our 1/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to be mixing on medium speed for 1 minute. Okay, so once we've mixed that, going to scrape the walls of our bowl and kind of give it another quick mix. And here, just make sure that you pop all of the little air bubbles. Okay, and just like that, we have our filling. So now we can transfer it to our pie crust. Okay, just make sure that it's nice and even. And now we're going to be baking for 15 minutes at 415 degrees. Okay guys, so after 15 minutes, we're going to quickly cover our crust. You can use foil. I'm going to be using a pie crust shield. And just cover it so like that it doesn't burn while it continues cooking. And here you also want to reduce the heat to 350 degrees. Place it back in and allow it to continue baking for another 30 minutes. Okay, so after 35 minutes, our pie should be done. So now we're just going to allow it to come to room temperature. Okay, so once our pie cools down, we're going to place it in our refrigerator and allow it to sit overnight or for at least 6 hours. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy. And of course, you can always, adjust the sweetness to your liking. But this right here, it's seriously perfect. So I am so ready. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So good. My favorite part is the crust. So here it is. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious pumpkin pie. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.